Do you know that today is Arbor Day? And Arbor Day is a celebration of the trees. And besides trees just being very beautiful to look at, they actually give us life. They provide air that we breathe. So last week when we were practicing all of our breathing poses, it was because trees that gave us the oxygen to breathe in that fresh, beautiful air. So today, in celebration of Arbor Day, we are going to learn tree pose. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is your 30-day kids yoga challenge. I'm Sarah, and today we are learning tree pose. And tree pose is so important because trees are so important. Trees give us the breath, the air that we breathe, and you guys know how much I love breathing and breath. So today we are going to celebrate the trees by learning tree pose. Find your mountain pose. You have been here before. Strong back, roll your shoulders back, strong arms. Imagine that invisible string is pulling you even taller. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Find your balance. You are on 2 feet and you are rooted into the ground. You are tall and strong and proud. What happens when you shift your balance to 1 foot? Deep breath in. You might feel a little wobbly, and that's okay. Use your roots to hold you into the earth and bring your foot up and your hands at heart center. You're in your tree pose. It's that easy. If it feels a little wobbly for your standing foot, that's okay. It feels wobbly for me too. Bring your foot down, find your balance again, and come back up into the pose. Take a deep breath here. If you're feeling like you'd like a challenge, lift your leg up over your knee. You're gonna get really wobbly, but that's okay. Take a deep breath. Find your tall back. Find your proud shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Grow your branches. Picture being that tree. Picture your full, broad branches. Your leaves are growing out of your fingers. Take a deep breath. Come back down to your standing mountain pose. That was it. That was your tree pose. Now, because we did it on this side, we're going to do it on the other side so that we feel balanced after class. Take a deep breath. Shift your weight to your other standing leg now and lift up your leg. Picture your toes as the roots of your tree holding you into the earth. Take a deep breath. Maybe if you're feeling brave and you'd like a challenge, lift your leg up over your knee. Take a deep breath. Grow your branches. Maybe these branches have fruit on them. Trees provide us fruit to eat and air to breathe. So feel tall and strong and proud like a tree. Take a deep breath. Bring your hands to heart center. Bring your foot back to earth. Come into your mountain pose. That is your tree pose. It's that easy. One tip. When you're doing your tree pose, make sure that your foot is under your knee or over your knee, but not on your knee because you might hurt your knees and we want to protect those. So thanks for joining me. Grab some friends and see if you can make a tree forest. and I'll see you right here tomorrow on the mat. Bye, everyone.